Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Destiny 2 account. First of all, open up your Destiny 2 application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you will end up in this sign-in interface, where you'll need to tap on Sign in with Bungie.net at the top. Click the Continue button in the pop-up and it'll take you to Bungie.net website. Select the platform you want to play Destiny on by choosing from one of the options. I'm gonna select Epic Games. Now, click on the Approve button on the next page. If prompted, you'll also need to sign in with your Epic Games credentials, enter your email address and password correct, and once you are logged in, you will then be taken to this main homepage of Destiny. So that is how you can easily log into your Destiny 2 account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.